this session, I'm going to give a demo of object-driven test. So we can mm, build a test in the KaneAI agent. Okay, so let's get into the mm, object-driven test demo. So this is the prompt I have created for the objective, the test driven. Okay, so what I'm doing, what I'm giving over here is navigate to the so and so and verify so and so fields are available and so and so fields are existence in this particular form. This is a kind of GI validation test. Okay, so I'm just giving you verify visibility of the text input password text area edit fields and verify the existence of so on so fields so that we can complete the GUI validation of the given application screen. Okay, so let's see how AI agent will interpret this particular object and derive the steps and then create the test. Let's see that one. Okay, now I'm copying this one. So there is no format at all, but we have to give visibility and existence so that it will understand and it will process. That's called we have generative AI, right? Processing it, taking the inputs in natural language format and processing it and giving in a different format. Okay, so now I'm launching the KaneAI. So here, object-driven test, the journey will start from here. Okay, previous prompt-driven test, the journey started from this one, create a web test. For this one, we have to give the object over here. See here, navigate to so and so application URL. I'm giving so and so as an input, and so and so fields to be validated. Okay, I'm not asking isn't to the enter any values. So only just I'm creating a simple test which is related to the GUI validation of given controls in the particular application. Okay, I'm just entering this one. See, this AI agent is invoke. Okay, this particular interface. This is we call it as a review on schedule. See here. So the application whatever we have given over here is it has shown that is the test data and the outcomes. What are the outcomes? What is the steps it is created out of this particular given objective? Okay, we need to check whether my intention is to validate particular controls visibility and particular controls existence. So whatever I have given here, it has given the I given the visibility of so and so fields, I given the existence of so and so fields here. Okay, so it has taken and treating that as a outcome. Okay, so that is the objective that I have given over here. Okay, suppose if I given the different objectives, suppose that is related to the constraints or related to the input, so that will be populated over here in this particular section. Okay, now at this stage you have not created anything over here. If you see, okay, that is stage one we are at here. Okay, that I explained you in the flow. So now what I'm doing is I'm clicking on a review on schedule text. See, it is prompted. Still, I'm at stage one only. Okay, here I'm giving the information over here. Okay, I'm just taking this one. So I'm just taking the object driven test over here. Okay, and then the type. This is the the functional only. And then here I'm giving the smoke. Okay, and schedule the text. Okay, so here I'm asking user to the schedule test. Okay, so here it is created and started the process. If at all you wanted to see, you can click on live preview. See here. So now we are at the stage 2 where it is building the test steps. In the stage 1, it has taken the certain steps, and in the stage 2, it has invoked this schedule, and by using the live preview, I have entered over here. So automatically it launched the application, and it is creating the steps here. See, get the visibility of the so and so text input field, and get the visibility of the passport field, get the visibility of the text area edit field, and again get the existence of drop down. Generally, in the traditional model, what we have to do is we have to pass each element as a parameter to the reusable method and take the return value, whether it is a true or false. Based on that one, we need to put the assessment statement. But here, in this case, in this model, we are not doing any such things. We are just giving the one objective in the ensuring that one, whatever the objective that we are expecting is framing a test or not. That here, my intention is to hey, validate that one. Okay, now that is completed and entered over here. If you go to the here in the execute, here it is there. So updated a few seconds ago. You can go to this particular test, and here the test is created, and this one is edit test steps. It is so it will go to the here edit test steps. So here it is created. Hmm. But if you want, you can resume it to update to add any steps over here. For now, I'm just exiting the playground. So here you can see the test, and automatically the code is generated for this test. Okay, view code that you can see it. See, I told you about there are 4 components it is generating, right? UI actions it is generated, and by this is the visual paths for here, and the requirements. This is the Selenium, the default it has taken 7.17.2 PyTest Selenium, and some other components packages it has taken. Main test it has given. This is written in the unit test the format. Okay, so this is about the code and the summary. If you go to the version history, you can see over here. Okay, and if at all if you wanted to see hyper execute, it will invoke the test on the hyper execute the machine, and might be some resources it may not be. Let's see whether it is being taken or not. There is some resources concern, that's why it is not taking. Okay, so this is the test that is created in the this one. You can go to the projects, and we have generated over here in KaneAI generated the number of tests. If you go to the test cases, and if you go to the object driven test, that this is the test that is created, updated 3 minutes ago. Previously we have created in the previous sessions web form. You can see this is the PD test, the approach 2, and this is the approach 1. These are the 2 things created and saved in the test manager, and recently we have created this one and saved over here. Okay, so this is about the tests that we can the create from the objective, providing the input to the KineAI. Okay, so a regular process you can edit the test, that is since the test is created. Okay, now just similar screens that I have given over here. Here you can see launch KineAI and provide objective. Draft test is ready for review and schedule. and set draft test settings and invoke a schedule task. This is the stage one. And here the build task is running in the background and invoke it a live preview to see what is the test it is generating, build test and live preview. And the test saved to the test manager and ready for further edit if any. Okay, so this is the process of objective driven test. Okay, so the based on your requirement, and you can take the help of this AI agent, and you can put the objective, you can do a the test creation. So this is where it is allowing end users to come with the more creative work and creative objectives, and it will generate the test. So in this test, my target is to have a GA validation of specific controls on the particular web application. Okay, so that's why it is created the GA test in one go, and validated the controls. Okay, so that's all I have from the objective driven test.